Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from radical mathematics. It is cube root of 625 over square root 5 plus 368 over square root 5 plus 1. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to x first. Now we will take cubing both sides. So cube root and cube will be cancelled out in RHS. So we can write x cube equal to 625 over square root 5 plus 368 over square root 5 plus 1. Now we will use rationalization. So I need to multiply here with root 5 in the numerator and denominator. And for this term I will multiply with denominator's conjugate, which is square root 5 minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. Now we have a plus b times a minus b form in the denominator. So we can use difference of two squares formula. So I will be writing x cube equal to 625 square root 5 over square root 5 times square root 5 will be 5 plus 368 times square root 5 minus 1 over root 5 square minus 1 square. Now we can cancel 6 to 5 with denominator 5. It will give us 125. So I can write x cube will be 125 square root 5 plus 368 root 5 minus 1 over root 5 square is 5, 1 square is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we can cancel 368 by denominator 4. So it will give us 92. So I can write x cube will be equal to 125 square root 5 plus 92 times square root 5 minus 1. Let's simplify RHS. I can write 125 square root 5 plus 92 square root 5 minus 92. Now we will add these two like terms, which will give us 217 square root 5 minus 92. Now we can factor 217. We can write 31 times 7. Then we have square root 5. Then we have minus 92. So now this 7 I can write is square root 49. So I will be writing 31 times square root 49 times square root 5 minus 92. Now we can club these two radicals. So we can write 31 times square root of 49 times 5 minus 92. LHS is x cube. So RHS will become 31 times square root 245 minus 92. So I will write 31 times square root 245 minus 92. This is equal to x cube. Now we will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So here we will multiply both sides with 8 first. So I can write 8x cube will be equal to 8 times 31 square root 245 minus 92. So RHS we can write 8 times 31. It will be equal to 248. The square root 245. 8 times 92. This will be 736. Now this 8 we can write it is 2 cube times x cube. Now we know the property from exponents a power x times b power x. This will be equal to a times b whole power x. So we can write LHS as 2x whole cube. And RHS we will split 248 and 736. So we can split 245 plus 3 as 248. So we can write 245 is square root 245 plus 3 times square root 245 and minus 736 we will write minus 735 minus 1. Now we will rearrange our RHS. So I can write 2x whole cube. This will be equal to 245 is square root 245. Then we will write minus 1. Then we will write minus 735. And then we will write the remaining 3 square root 245. Now 245 is square root 245. We can write square root 245 whole cube it is. Minus 1 I can write 1 cube. Now minus 735 we can write 3 times square root of 245 whole square times 1 and then 3 times square root 245 we can write 3 times square root 245 times 1 square. Now it is recalling one algebraic identity. If I will consider a equal to square root 245, b equal to 1, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which will be equal to a minus b whole cube. So we'll use this formula for our RHS. So I can write LHS as 2x whole cube. RHS will be square root 245 minus 1 whole cube. Now we can take cube root both sides. Cube root, cube root. So cube root and cube will be over. For real x, I can write 2x will be equal to square root 245 minus 1. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So we are ready to get x value equal to square root 245 minus 1 over 2. Or we can write 245 is 49 times 5. So we can write 7 square root 5 minus 1 over 2. So this is our final answer. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next video. Bye-bye and take care of yourself.